Hello, hello. So here's how my day starts at Safe House.
I hope you choose to smile when life hits you in the face so hard and then stab you in the ribs with a sharp glass shard. So painful that you lie breathless there until you realize how much your lungs love the taste of the air. I hope you choose to be kind when times are tough, bringing you seasons so rough. Hope you always choose to comfort others in pain. Hope your circumstances doesn't drive you insane. So you see it's all a matter of choices to pick cheerfulness amidst all the noises. Remember a trauma brings hate and pain both, and it is your responsibility to let it not affect your growth. So, in love and prosperity, let's call it a day, and night night to those who are far, far away.